In this video, I am going to explain the simple ALU experiment using 8051 emulator. So I already installed this 8051 emulator. Now I am going to double click on this emulator. So this is the EdSim 51 8051 emulator. Now I am going to simulate the simple ALU design using 8051 microcontroller by using this emulator. For that purpose, I have already designed a simple ALU using 8051 microcontroller. So this is the program for this simple ALU simple ALU using 8051 microcontroller. See here, I am considering here the four operations. One is addition operation, subtraction operation, AND operation, and XOR operation. Okay, so here addition operation. So for my ultimate aim is to design the addition operation, subtraction operation, and operation, XOR operation for the two input variables. So that is the ultimate aim, right? So for that purpose, I'm going to use here move a comma 40h. So internal data register 40h. So whatever the content which is present in 40h, that is loaded into accumulator. And this is the first data, and move r comma and 41, that is second data, is loaded into r1. Okay, and for simplification purpose, I'm going to move that content, so that is accumulator content, into r2 register. Okay, so here add a comma first operation, add a comma r1. So add a comma r1 indicates, so whatever the content which is present in r1, that is added with accumulator a, and result will be stored in accumulator a, right? So now at this point, you're going to get what you are going to get, the addition operation, that is addition output. So I'm going to move that data into 50s, 50 internal data memory. Okay, memory address is what, 50, right? So here at this point in 50, you are having additional result. Now I'm going to do the subtraction operation. For that purpose, so already the first data I have moved into auto, because at this point the accumulator content is what, addition result. So I need again the first data. So for that purpose, I'm going to move a comma r2. Okay, so r2 comma a indicates, so whatever the content which is present in r2, that is first data, is loaded into accumulator. Then sub a comma r1, sub a comma r1. So subb here, you have to include one more command, that is clc, that is clear, because clear statement already clrc. Okay, so already I have explained this subtraction program video. Okay, so clear C. Okay, because here sub subb is there, subtract with. Okay, so that instruction is available in 8051. For that purpose, clear, you have to clear the C during the subtraction operation. Okay, so clear C, move the first data moved into accumulator, and second data is already available in R1. So that is subtracted with accumulator, and result will be stored in accumulator. And the accumulator content again moved to 51H. Now the 51 address contains the subtraction result. Next operation, AND operation. So for AND operation, again I am going to take the first data. So that is the first R2 data contains first data. So I am going to move the R2 content into A, and ANL A comma R1. R1 contains second data. So the AND operation between A and R1 is carried out, and result will be available at accumulator. And I am going to move that accumulated data into 50H. Similarly, for XOR operation, I am going to move the data into 53H. Okay, now the address is what, in 50H, addition is there. The output data addresses, 50H address contains addition result, 51 contains subtraction, 52 contains AND operation, 53 contains XOR operation. Now I'm going to show the practical output by using 8051 microcontroller emulator. Okay, now the same thing, this is the 8051 microcontroller emulator, already I have installed. Okay, so just paste the program. So this is the program for simple ALU design using 8051 microcontroller. Before before going to run this program, you just give the input values. So input value is what, here 40 and 41 will act as inputs. So I am going to give the input memory. So here data memory is there now. So in that data memory, So here 40. So 40 indicates, we just change the address as 40. 40. Give the input value. For example, I'm going to give the input value as 05. Okay, 05 is input, right? And the second data is 41. The same thing. I am going to give the input 41. The input value is what? 02, right? So this is the 02. Input value is 02. Okay, now we just check it here. See here, 40 contains 05 and 41 contains 02, right? Now I'm going to simulate. So for this 05 and 02, I need addition result, subtraction result, and then AND operation result and XOR operation result in this single program. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. So here H is not there. So again run the command. So this is the program actually. Okay, move R2, I. So now we just check the program. See here, uh, 5 plus 3 already I told now. So in 50H you are having addition result. So 5 plus 2 7, right? And 51 contains you are having, I mean, a subtraction result, that is 5 minus 2 contains 03, right? And and operation, so and operation is what? 00. So you will get 00 for this one. And XOR operation 07. Okay, 50 contains addition, 51 contains suppress here, 50 contains addition, 51 contains subtraction, 52 contains AND operation, 53 contains then XOR operation. Okay, so all these four operations are carried out in a single program. So this is about what? Simple ALU design using 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so thank you very much.